Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering the core documents so you can file immediately. Have the original ration card, Aadhaar and ID proof for the person removed or added, and a recent passport photo. Once done, fill the prescribed application. Use Form RCA or log into the Tamil Nadu E7I/EPS portal to start online. Make sure to include proof for the change reason, death certificate, marriage, court order, because the clerk or system will validate it before proceeding. You now submit the application either online via the EPS/MiSeva portal or in person at the Taluk Food Office. Upload clear scans of Aadhaar, the event proof, and the signed form because illegible files cause delays. Once you pay the nominal fee, obtain the acknowledgement and reference number. This is critical for follow-up. Make sure to record the expected 7 to 21 day processing window and the officer's contact so you can check status if verification stalls. You'll complete the process when the food department verifies the household and approves the change. Be ready to show original documents during the visit. Cooperation speeds approval. Once approved, collect the updated physical ration card or download the official PDF, verifying that names and details are correct. If your application is rejected, ask for the explicit reason immediately, then correct or add the required proof and resubmit. That targeted fix usually clears the issue without starting over.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.